Hello everyone, regard to our video, we are Group 5. Today we will be talking about the delicious traditional Ecuadorian dish called ceviche de camarón. This is very popular on the Ecuadorian coast, especially in cities like Guayaquil, Manta, and Esmeralda. Ceviche de camarón is a fresh and flavorful seafood dish prepared with greens. It's usually served cold and is perfect for a hot sunny day. Let's think on how to prepare this dish. Let's get started.
Ingredients. 1 dish are the ingredients we need: 1 pound of fresh green, chopped red onions sliced, 3 tomatoes diced, 1 green pepper diced, 1 cup of fresh lamb hooks.
Hello, I will also use these ingredients. Half a cup of orange juice, cilantro chopped, salt and pepper, oil, optional ketchup and mustard of extra flavor. To serve, plantains y chicks, proporción auristoli y coriander.
First, boil the shrimp in salted water for about 5 minutes until they turn pink. After that, drain the shrimp and let them cool. Next, put cool. Next, put the sliced onion in a bowl and salt. Rinse them with water to reduce the strong flavor. Then mix the onions with the diced tomatoes, green pepper, cilantro, salt, and pepper.
And the lime juice and orange juice. You can also add the little oil, ketchup, or mustard if you want a richer taste. Finally, add the boiling shrimp and stir everything gentle. Place the ceviche in the refrigerator for 5 minutes so the devil combine.
Your ceviche now ready. Serve it cold. You plantain seed, popcorn, or toasty corn. This dish is fresh, healthy, and full of flavor. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you traditional Ecuador dish have home. See you next time. Bye.